This question is from machine design for 2 marks. A steel spur pinion has a module M of 1.25 mm, 20 teeth and 20-degree pressure angle. The pinion rotates at 1200 rpm and transmits power to a 60 teeth gear. The face width F is 50 mm, Lewis form factor is Y is 0.322 and dynamic factor kV is 1.26. The bending stress sigma induced in a tooth can be calculated by using Lewis formula given below. If the maximum bending stress experienced by the pinion is 400 megapascal, the power distributed is dash kilowatts. So this is a numerical answer type question where we need to round up the solution to one decimal place. The Lewis formula is given as sigma is equal to kVWT by Fmy, where Wt is the tangential load acting on the pinion. The accepted answer range for this question is 9.8 to 10.8. Let's move on to the detailed solution. First, let us write down what are the given values. It is given that module is equal to M is equal to 1.25 mm. The number of teeth on the pinion is Tp is equal to 20. Pressure angle is also given, which is phi is equal to 20 degrees. Speed of the pinion is given, which is Np is equal to 1200 rpm. Once we know the speed Np, we can calculate its angular speed, that is omega p is equal to 2 pi Np by 60. So substituting Np is equal to 1200 and simplifying will give us omega p is equal to 125.66 radian per second. It is also given that the number of teeth on the gear is Tg is equal to 60. It is given that face width F is equal to Lewis form factor Y is equal to 0.322. Dynamic factor is equal to kV, which is equal to 1.26. The maximum bending stress is sigma is equal to 400 MPa. It is also given that Wt is the tangential load acting on the pinion. Now let us just write down the given Lewis formula, which is sigma is equal to kVWt by Fmv. I suppose we know all the values, that is sigma is equal to 400, which is equal to 1.26, which is the dynamic factor, multiplied by the tangential load, divided by face width, which is 50 mm, multiplied by module, which is 1.25 mm, multiplied by the Lewis form factor, which is 0.322. So simplifying that will give us the tangential load acting on the pinion as 6388.89 Newton. We know that torque acting is nothing but force multiplied by radius, but here the force acting is the tangential load multiplied by the radius. We know that module is nothing but diameter divided by number of teeth, so radius can be written as module multiplied by number of teeth on the pinion, but we need to divide it with 2 because we are writing it in terms of radius. So torque is nothing but 6388.89 into M, number of teeth on the pinion, divided by 2. So substituting all the values and simplifying will give us torque is equal to 79.861 Newton mm. So from this we know that power can be written as torque multiplied by angular speed of the pinion. So power is equal to 79.861 multiplied by 125.66. Simplifying this will give us power as 10.035 kilowatts.